Hi guys, let's get to work. It's another beautiful day. This thing was sent to me by someone to repair this reading lamp. So we need to know the cause of the problem first before trying to open the lamp and see what is going through. So we have to plug it. The supply source. Yeah, this is the cord. You can see me plugging it. So I have to test. Yeah, it is on. So wow. You can see the light is not stable. When you remove the plug from the socket, it will off. So that simply shows that the problem is from the battery. So even if you are an electrician or technician, anything or not, you can repair it by yourself. Just follow this process. Everything is done. You can see me opening it. When I open it, I saw that nothing happened to the board. You can see the board is still fine. So this is only the battery. It's only the battery that can cause something like this. So I have to disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Yeah, you can see the battery is there. So I bring my old battery that I was using to testing so that I can check whether it's from the battery or not. So I have to remove those old terminals that was used on something else and replace with the new one. You have to connect the positive to the positive terminal and the negative. You can see me, I started with the negative terminal, now I moved to the positive terminal. If you don't understand these color codes, you need to follow and understand these things. You follow my previous post, you will see how to understand color coding. Wiring. Black is for negative and red is for positive. Yeah, I've changed the battery. Then I want to couple it back so that we can check whether what we did actually worked. So if what we did actually worked, that means you are good to go. It's a very simple idea. It's not something that is so much that it would take a long day to finish it. It's just for a couple of minutes or seconds we are done with this. So you can see when I open it, this lamp was kind of soft. It was not firm. So I have to hold it firm. I had to adjust this knob. You can see I'm tightening it to make it stronger so that any position you want to keep it, it will stand by itself. So yeah, you can see, wow, it's strong. This is what we were looking for, not the first time that it will fall by itself. Yeah, let's test it and see if everything we did actually work. Yeah, the light is on. You can see the light is stable. Now we plug it and everything is stable. Do well to follow and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I love you.